And now we want to take a look at our data and make sure we don't have any information on there, numbers in this case, that seems not correct or out of the ordinary or shouldn't be on there. Maybe somebody messed up when they typed in numbers. Maybe somebody was trying to mess things up on purpose. Who knows? So as we scroll through your numbers, I know there's at least two that really shouldn't be on there. Right? One of them, it shows that they live at the school because they are 0 miles away from the school. And one of them shows that they live way too far at the school, or they would have a really long commute from school. So we're going to get rid of BB and EL. Okay? And now instead of just deleting them and having an empty space, there's a couple different ways to do this. Now it's important to make sure you see where those two show up on your list so you don't delete other stuff with it. But I see BB here, so I'm going to highlight BB. Then I'm going to go into Edit. Underneath Edit, I'm going to click on Delete. Now when it goes to delete, it gives me a couple options. I could delete the entire row, which in this case would be fine for me if I delete the entire row 8 because I'm not going to lose any other information. But if I was in row, say, 6, 3, 4, 2, I'm going to lose the other stuff that's with it. So if you are going to delete the whole thing, make sure you're not losing the entire row. Make sure you're not losing any of this information. So I'm going to go again. I go into there. I click on Edit. I hit Delete. And I'm just going to delete the cells and shift everything up. Okay, so that got rid of BB. Notice what else it did. It changed my numbers over here. Okay, no longer is anybody farther away from me. That's one of the good things about using formulas. If you add other information or have to change numbers, maybe if you later on in life you have a spreadsheet and somebody paid you money that they owed you for something, you could just put in a new number and it would change everything over here. So it did that for me. I'm going to go into EL. And this time I'm going to delete the entire row. So I'm going into Edit. Delete. I'm just going to delete row 10. And again, it shifted everything up. That one really didn't change anything, maybe a little bit because it was 0 miles. So go ahead and go in and get